If you are going to file income tax return for this year, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to talk about 6 important points which you must know before filing income tax return. So let's start. Hello friends, my name is C. Ashish Kumar Das and welcome to Transformatrix. So the first point you must consider before filing income tax return is that this year income tax site has been updated and now only 3 forms are there, that is ITR 1, ITR 2 and ITR 4. If you have business and profession income, then you can't file online, you have to file the return offline. The second important point is that you have to choose whether you are going to opt for old regime or new regime. You have to calculate your tax and then you have to see in which regime you are going to get the benefits. The third important point which you must know that before filing income tax return, you should collect all the necessary information which is required. Like you must have your form 16 if you are a salaried employee. You must have the 26As, which is the summary of all the TDS deducted. So make sure you have all the documents before filing your income tax return. The fourth important thing which you must consider is that before filing the income tax return, you must calculate your tax liability. Without calculating tax liability, you can't file the return. So make sure that you have calculated your total tax liability and as per that you can file your return. The fifth important point is that you must choose the right form. If you have business and profession and you are choosing ITR 1 form, then you may fall into the problem. So make sure you are choosing the right form. For an example, if you are a salaried employee and you have one house property and other sources of income, then you can select ITR 1. But if you have business and profession income, then you can't select ITR 1. I will make separate video on this kind of forms, so make sure you subscribe our channel. The last and final point which you must know that the last date for filing of income tax return is 30 September 2021 for individuals. So you must consider this date and make sure that you file your income tax return before this date. Even if you are not able to file your income tax return by this date, you can file till 31st January 2022, but you have to pay a fees of 5,000. So these are the relevant information and these are the things which you must know before filing income tax return for this year. So friends, I hope that you find this video very informative. If you have any query, then you can ask me in comment box. I will personally reply to you. Thank you and stay tuned to our channel.